Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. It was a nicer day for our Saturday. Saw dew points in the low 60s, a little bit of sunshine. Clouds started to build in, and now we're going to get a little bit on the muggy side starting for our Sunday. Dew points will be in the mid to upper 60s, and really will kind of be straddling the mid 60s through the rest of next week. As we'll see, again, it's July, it's muggy, and with all the rain we've had, we kind of have a lot of moisture in the system to work with. So we'll be a little bit on the muggy side, but I think the worst will be for our Sunday. In terms of rain chances, they'll pick up tonight into the overnight hours here for early Sunday morning. Most of the stronger activity will be west to I-35. By the time it gets here, it'll lose some of that steam, especially as it comes after sunset. So here's 10 o'clock. Kind of on our western edge there, and it'll continue to move slowly eastward. So not expecting any severe weather with this, but could see pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall at times. And if we do see kind of a storm that has a little bit more heavier rain, that's where we could see some areas pick up maybe a quarter to half inch because of how slowly these are moving. Here's 4 a.m. Again, kind of moves out of our eastern edge, and then we'll see more redevelopment, I think, along and south the Highway 20 there. And again, not expected to see severe weather, but times of moderate rainfall is possible. Here's the noon hour, again, dry to our north and west. Scattered showers for our central and southern areas. Then during the afternoon and evening hours, we'll see a little bit of redevelopment. Most of that, I think, stays south of I-80, or really south of the viewing area in general. But then what we will see is some development to the north and to the west. This will be ahead of a cold front that'll be moving through. But notice the time frame, 10 o'clock. So I think our northern and western areas have the best chance of seeing anything. But as we go deeper into the overnight hours, it's going to lose a little bit of steam and energy. And notice how it kind of starts to taper off as it moves south and east. So generally speaking, the farther south and east you live with this line, the lesser of a chance you have of seeing that rain overnight. By Monday morning, that chance really starts to taper off, and we'll see how much this kind of hangs on. But then during the day on Monday, we'll see maybe some more scattered chances afternoon and evening hours. So generally speaking, if an area sees rainfall, I'm not expecting everywhere to see rain, but for those that do, I think anywhere from about a quarter to 3/4 of an inch is possible, especially in our southern areas with that line tomorrow afternoon. If it does creep into areas along and south of I-80, we'll keep an eye on that. Maybe see some more isolated higher amounts if there's any spots that kind of sit under a thunderstorm. So to kind of recap here for tonight, low temperatures in the mid 60s, chance of showers and storms, again, moving west to east very slowly through the overnight hours. Winds light out of the south at 5 to 10. During the day tomorrow, high temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. Showers and storms, especially central and southern areas tomorrow during the morning and early afternoon. Winds out of the south, around 5 to 15. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So after Monday, that cold front will move through, and we'll be kind of in a interesting pattern. We'll be seeing a dry pattern, but we'll have a couple of chances of maybe some on and off stray storm chances. So Tuesday added a 10% risk. So basically what the pattern is going to be is we'll be dry Monday night, Tuesday morning dry, and then during the afternoon, evening, get a little bit of energy. Maybe you can conjure up a couple of stray storms. Tuesday night dry, same thing for Wednesday, kind of wash, rinse, repeat. And then Thursday, the same thing. But then after Thursday, we'll dry out and really warm up. We'll see temperatures approach the upper 80s, on Friday. Next weekend, could see many areas in the upper 80s and low 90s. That warmth continues to the start of next week with maybe a storm chance there late into the 10-day forecast.